Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, let's open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once whatever you want to capture is visible on your screen, press the power button and volume down at the same time. Just a click, you'll have a flash with two options, edit and share. There was also a third one, which I'm gonna capture one more. You can see this T right here. If you press on it, it will load the image and allow you to select text from the image. So you can now select any kind of text right here, select copy, paste. Very handy when it comes down to, for instance, getting like a screenshot of some like address or whatever, or bank accounts, and just being able to copy it from there. You can also access this later on by going into the gallery, and your screenshot should be visible somewhere, I guess not at the front, so we're gonna click right here on these three bars and navigate to albums, and we have screen recordings and screenshots. There we go. So we have screenshots right here. I think these are the ones that I have just captured. Yep, this is the one. So going back to it, we can also gain that text from here by, oh, there we go, by selecting this button right over here. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.